Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. A little while ago I did a video on deep hole markers. I'll link that in so you can have a little look at it. Basically we looked at a few pencils and indelible markers that would mark through deep material, metal, plastic, etc. This one, the propelling pencil, I've used quite extensively. Very happy with it, apart from the fact the pencil sharpener that screws in the end here, that obviously sharpens the lead. Very good, very effective if this didn't get lost. I found as you lock it, the idea is you screw that up and it locks into place. If you go a little bit too much, you go over the catch and basically it goes round and round and round. You think you've tightened it up and before you know it, ping, you've lost the sharpener. That's happened to me now on one of the pencils. I've still managed to hang on with that one. But I've had a little bit of an upgrade on this. And I've gone over to a Tracer brand of a similar device. Does effectively the same thing. It's got a pencil, got a holster this time, so that clip in your trousers on a permanent basis when you're on site, and the pencil will just clip into that. Very powerful clip on here, so once you've got that in the trouser, as you pull a pencil out, this will remain on your trousers without a problem at all. This the holster has got a built-in sharpener. If you can see that, let's try to get that in the light. Built-in sharpener on here, so long as you don't lose the holster, you're always going to have the sharpener. Now, I've only used this for about a week or so, but so far very, very happy with it. Now, I can hear you asking, well, what's the maximum depth of hole you can mark with this? Well, with a new lead, which is 120mm, you're able to extend it so as you got a depth of 100mm lead, which is 3mm diameter. So basically you could mark a hole 100mm in depth. If you wish to use this as well, which is 6mm in dimension, you've got a maximum depth of hole mark of 145mm. So it's pushing 6 inches in a single pencil. So that could be very, very handy. But so far so good. I'm happy with the brand, the quality. Nothing's broken, nothing's been lost. They also sell 6 replacement leads. If you buy the pack, you get 4 black leads, shall we say, your traditional carbon leads, and 2 yellow ones. They don't pop out unless you accurately align the shield on the end. Then a little bit of a wiggle, out pops your lead into your replacement. Oh, that's what I want. Here we go. You pop the lead into there. That's what I'm trying to say. Gently push that in. We're pushing the old one out at the same time. Obviously we've not run out. Not sure if it'll self-start or whether you've got to help it a little bit. Looks like you might just have to help it a bit with another lead. But once it's in the clutches of the jaw there, you should be fine. Yeah, there you go. So it's quite easy to change as well. The yellow will be quite good on a dark material. But yeah, that's the new pencil that Mike Makes It, the Tracer. So far, only 1 week in, and results are good. So hopefully I'm not going to lose my sharpener on there. Be a little bit disappointed if it did. But the pencil, let's put that back on before I lose that. I don't want to lose that. That's less than a tenner on Amazon at the minute. The replacement leads are less than £7. Typically the price has come down since I bought them, but that's the going price at the moment. 10 for the pencil, 7 for the leads. But yeah, hopefully you found that useful. Thanks for watching Mike Makes It.